So it's going to go down to about 12 tonight. So got a little, oh, just turned on. Got a little space heater here just to keep it toasty inside. It's set to about 24 degrees. And it'll keep the humidity low, which will minimize that amine blush. I guess if the humidity is low enough, it won't even form. It doesn't matter, it comes off easy anyway. Yeah, I'm going to close this up and keep it nice and toasty. And yeah, because the slow hardener needs 16 degrees or above to cure properly. So right around the 21 to 25 is a nice sweet spot for it. Okay, I just wanted to come double check. And everything's going good. It's set and it goes off at around, where's that thermometer? Where did I put it? Let's see it there, where is it? Oh, there it is. So the heater kicks on and off right around 25 degrees. And I double checked it and it's actually around 21 to 32 ideal curing temperatures. And the humidity is going to drop in here with that heater, so it's going to be perfect. Perfect curing. For the slow hardener anyway. Alright, that's it for these videos. I'm going to bed. So, dropped to 9 degrees last night. I was coming in. See how we're doing in here. Perfect. 22C.